Elemotion is committed to becoming a global supplier of packaging systems, delving deeply into the food industry, and creating a full product service model that integrates mechanical and software design and development, intelligent manufacturing, and after-sales service. Established in Shanghai in 2016, we focus on the modern intelligent factory in Wuhu and move forward in the automation packaging industry. We are committed to driving quality upgrades with innovation, and our core product performance is renowned in the industry. The company has now become an international packaging system intelligent manufacturing brand, providing nearly 100 product services to over 3,600 of enterprises worldwide, with a leapfrog growth in annual sales in 2021. The annual sales exceeded the 1 billion mark. With customer demand as the product orientation, we have gathered a team of senior experts in the manufacturing industry to build a complete research and development and design platform. We customize exclusive product solutions for each customer's multi-dimensional needs, expand hundreds of combination products, and provide customers with a full range of fully functional manufacturing and packaging production solutions. Elemotion takes it as its responsibility to solve industry pain points and improve production energy efficiency, adhering to strict production testing standards, endowing each core component with the highest industry performance. The full automatic premade pouch parallel vacuum packaging machine and the dual-lane rotary vacuum packaging machine integrated with feeders was first developed by Elemotion, filling the domestic technological gap. Our packaging machine adopts a full mechanical design, and its vacuum sealing performance, transmission efficiency and stability are far superior to similar competitors. The core components are provided with lifelong quality maintenance. The all-round quality makes Elemotion the preferred choice for customers, and its product functions cover all scenarios of food manufacturing and packaging. The company modularizes to build manual cup feeder, shrink cups feeder, soy egg feeder, and other multifunctional dosing devices and material elevators. Our devices have diverse functions and complete categories, which can meet differentiated customization needs, improve production efficiency for customers, and save operating costs. All products have passed 11 management system certifications, including ISO 9001 quality system and GB T27922 after-sales service system. They have obtained more than 130 patents and intellectual property rights, and have established stable strategic cooperation with leading global food industry groups. They have built a nationwide sales service network and a complete marketing service model in the Chinese market. We have a national after-sales team to create a superior after-sales service experience. We provide 24-hour technical response, precise remote guidance, and arrive at the manufacturer's site within 48 hours to solve difficult problems. We are sincere and trustworthy, providing every customer with quality and service that exceeds expectations. Elemotion originates from innovation, practices intelligent manufacturing, focuses on developing future intelligent factories, improves industrial information interconnection, and provides customers with more competitive customized solutions, helping Chinese manufacturing move towards the world, accelerating intelligent manufacturing, and adding color to life.